Hey, quick tutorial for you today. So I'm reading this book right now, and you know the contents of the book are pretty good, but the book itself starting to fall apart. See, look here. Oh yeah, the cover is coming away from the pages there. But I'm still in okay shape because the pages are still intact with the original glue. So what I'm going to do today is fasten this to here and then maybe reinforce it a bit. So let's see what we can do. So I already got my glue gun plugged in and warming up, and let's see. Put out garbage, big check mark. So I already did that. Don't need to worry about that thing. Alright, so the glue gun's warming up. And, oh, look at that, it's ready to go. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in there. I don't want to put too much because it might get all messy and get all over the pages. So let's see. Okay, it's got some glue in there. Now I'm going to hold it down. Okay, so we finished with the glue. I've unplugged the glue gun now. And so now I'm going to take some tape. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit right here. Just about a couple centimeters away from the spine. And I'm going to use some scissors. Okay. Got my piece just the right length. And would you look at that? Very nice. It's like a brand new book now.